Amazon's Black Friday deals are live, and they're bigger than ever. Even before the official Black Friday rush, Amazon has slashed prices on 40 must-have products, with discounts of up to 90% off. Stick around till the end, because this is your chance to score top gadgets, home essentials, and more without paying full price. All the deal links are in the description below. Our first deal features the Soundcore Boom 2 by Anker, now 36% off, priced at $90, down from $140. This powerhouse delivers up to 80 watts booming bass with Bass Up 2.0, immersive 2.1 stereo sound, 24-hour playtime with a built-in power bank, and a rugged IPX7 waterproof floatable design you can take anywhere. Our second deal features the Apple MacBook, now 25% off, priced at $749, down from $999. Powered by the M4 chip with up to 18 hours of battery life, this sleek MacBook Air delivers a stunning 13.6-inch liquid retina display, advanced Apple Intelligence features, an excellent camera, speakers, and connectivity for work, creativity, and entertainment on the go. Our third deal features the Amazon Echo Dot Kids, now 47% off, priced at $32, down from $60. Designed specifically for children, it offers fun Alexa learning tools, includes 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus, filters music for kid-friendly content, and comes with a 2-year worry-free replacement guarantee for peace of mind. Our fourth deal features the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, now 40% off, priced at $23, down from $38. This fan-favorite primer uses hyaluronic acid and niacinamide for hydration, blue agave extract to grip makeup, and a lightweight gel formula that works flawlessly on all skin types for long-lasting, smooth wear. Our fifth deal features this magnetic construction set, now 30% off, priced at $84, down from $120. With 100 colorful geometric pieces, this certified STEAM learning toy helps build creativity and fine motor skills, offers durable safety-focused construction, and is fully compatible with other Magnetile sets for endless building fun. Our sixth deal features the KitchenAid Artisan Series, now 30% off, priced at $350, down from $500. With a 5-quart removable bowl, 10-speed control, and a durable, iconic design, this stand mixer makes whipping, kneading, and mixing effortless for everything from bread dough to cake batter. Our seventh deal features the Stanley Legendary Vacuum Bottle, now 16% off, priced at $31, down from $36. Built with 18/8 stainless steel durability, it keeps drinks hot or cold for up to 24 hours, includes a leak-resistant lid with a built-in cup, and is backed by Stanley's iconic lifetime warranty. Our eighth deal features the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, now 55% off, priced at $100, down from $220, with a 1,500 watt motor, an XL 72-ounce pitcher, 2 to-go smoothie cups, and an 8-cup food processor. This all-in-one system crushes ice, blends, chops, mixes, and makes dough with ease for versatile kitchen performance. Our ninth deal features the Dell Curved Monitor, now 21% off, priced at $330, down from $420. It delivers a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, vibrant colors with HDR support, improved audio, and a USB-C single cable setup, making it perfect for immersive work and gaming. Our 10th deal features the Blink Outdoor Floodlight Camera, now 50% off, priced at $50, down from $100. This wire-free security camera offers 700 lumens of motion-triggered lighting, 1080p HD live view with 2-way audio, a 2-year battery life, and smart alerts for reliable home protection. Our 11th deal features these alkaline high-performance batteries, now 15% off, priced at $23, down from $27. This 100-pack of AA batteries delivers reliable power for toys, cameras, and devices, features a 10-year leak-free shelf life, and comes in easy-to-store, frustration-free packaging. Our 12th deal features this MG Activity Tracker, now 17% off, priced at $199, down from $239. It provides 24/7 monitoring of sleep, heart rate, and stress, includes a 12-month Whoop Peak membership, offers insights to optimize fitness and recovery, and delivers up to 14 days of battery life with wireless charging. Our 13th deal features the Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop, now 23% off, priced at $2,300, down from $3,000. With NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics, an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, customizable Alien FX lighting, and advanced cooling technology, this desktop delivers extreme performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Our 14th deal features the Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise alarm clock and sound machine, now 18% off, priced at $140, down from $170. It helps create healthy sleep routines with customizable sunrise alarms and soothing sounds, offers a curated or personalized bedtime content library, and features easy controls and a dimmable design for a screen-free, restful bedroom experience. Our 15th deal features the Seagate Portable Drive, now 19% off, priced at $65, down from $80. This 2TB external hard drive offers plug-and-play simplicity, works seamlessly with Windows and Mac, and provides easy drag-and-drop backup with a fast USB 3.0 connection. Our 16th deal features the Aura Digital Picture Frame, now 22% off, priced at $139, down from $179. This Wi-Fi-enabled frame offers instant photo and video sharing via the Aura app, auto-adjusting HD display, free unlimited cloud storage, and makes a perfect gift-ready option for family and friends. Our 17th deal features the Amazon Echo Show, now 11% off, priced at $195, down from $220. This 11-inch Full HD smart display offers vibrant video and spatial audio, Alexa Plus early access for personalized assistance, easy smart home control, and doubles as a digital photo frame with crystal clear video calls. Our 18th deal features the Panasonic 4K DVD player, now 27% off, priced at $400, down from $550. This Ultra HD Blu-ray player delivers stunning 4K visuals with HDR support, Studio Master high-resolution sound, and Panasonic Hollywood Cinema Experience technology for an immersive home theater experience. Our 19th deal features the Tonybox audio player, now 29% off, priced at $100, down from $140. Designed for independent screen-free play, it offers interactive stories, songs, and games, includes sleep timer and sunrise alarm features, and grows with kids with hundreds of Tonys and Tony Play options. Our 20th deal features the Dyson Multi-Styler, now 20% off, priced at $519, down from $650. This versatile tool styles straight to wavy hair with 1,300 watts of power, featuring aluminum, ceramic, and polycarbonate construction for smooth, long-lasting results. Our 21st deal features the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo, now 24% off, priced at $259, down from $339. This waterproof action camera delivers 4K Pro grade imaging, dual OLED touchscreens, 360-degree horizon steady stabilization, and all-day battery life, making it perfect for hands-free adventures and vlogging in any environment. Our 22nd deal features the Sun Joe Electric Pressure Power Washer, now 51% off, priced at $144, down from $295. This 230 PSI washer comes with 5 quick connect spray tips, dual detergent tanks, a heavy-duty stainless steel lance, and easy portability for tackling everything from decks and driveways to cars and boats. Our 23rd deal features the 4K OLED gaming monitor, now 31% off, priced at $899, down from $1,299. This 32-inch QD-OLED monitor delivers 4K resolution with 240Hz refresh rate, ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, VISA Display HDR 400 True Black compliance, and advanced heat management for a stunning and immersive gaming experience. Our 24th deal features the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series, now 20% off, priced at $600, down from $750. This all-in-one coffee system brews espresso, drip coffee, cold brew, and hot water. Features barista assist technology with grind size recommendations, an integrated tamper, and a dual froth system pro for perfectly textured milk every time. Our 25th deal is the Charmus Portable Charger, now 37% off at $19, down from $30. This slim 10,000 milliamp hour power bank comes with built-in cables, 6 outputs, and 3 inputs, letting you charge multiple devices at once, while the LED display shows the exact remaining battery for worry-free on-the-go power. Our 26th deal is the Microsoft Surface Pro laptop, now 38% off at $750, down from $1,200. This 13-inch 2-in-1 laptop features the AI-powered Copilot Plus PC, a detachable keyboard for tablet or laptop mode, and a Snapdragon X Plus or Elite processor delivering high performance, all backed by up to 14 hours of battery life. Our 27th deal is the UPPAbaby Vista stroller, now 20% off at $800, down from $1,000. This versatile stroller offers 30+ configurations, a toddler seat that grows with your child, magnetic harness system for easy adjustments, all-wheel suspension for a smooth ride, and an extendable UPF 50+ canopy for all-weather protection. Our 28th deal is the Alienware Aurora Gaming Laptop, now 28% off at $900, down from $1,250. It features a 16-inch WQXGA 120Hz display, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU for next-level gaming, innovative cryo-chamber cooling, and a comfort-focused streamlined design. Plus, it comes with 1-year on-site Dell service for support when you need it. Our 29th deal is the Heating Electric Blanket, now 43% off at $34, down from $60. It offers 6 heat levels, 4 timer settings, and advanced heating wire technology for fast, safe, and consistent warmth. With soft flannel and Sherpa sides, ETL/FCC safety certification, and 3-hour auto shutoff, it's perfect for cozy nights, versatile use, and thoughtful gifting. Our 30th deal is the Instant Pot Pressure Cooker, now 38% off at $125, down from $200. This 8-quart multi-cooker handles 10 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, sautéing, steaming, yogurt making, and more. With 28 one-touch smart programs, 20% faster preheating, quiet steam release, and dishwasher-safe parts, it's perfect for family meals, meal prep, and effortless cleanups. Our 31st deal is the ThermoMaven Wireless Meat Thermometer, now 37% off at $95, down from $150. This smart thermometer features a real-time display base with direct temperature settings, Wi-Fi connectivity for monitoring from anywhere, and 100% wireless freedom. With 6 NIST-certified sensors, 2 ultra-thin probes, high-temp grilling support, and easy dishwasher-safe cleanup, it ensures perfectly cooked meat every time. Our 32nd deal features these Original Fit jeans, now 52% off, priced at $38, down from $80. Designed with a regular fit through the thigh, a straight leg, and a waist-sitting design, these jeans offer all-day comfort, durable fabric, and a timeless look that pairs perfectly with any casual outfit. Our 33rd deal features the PureAir HEPA air purifier, now 17% off, priced at $265, down from $319. With its large room coverage of up to 1,000 square feet, 3-layer HEPA and activated carbon filtration, quiet sleep mode, and smart particle sensor, it ensures clean air, reduces allergens, and improves sleep quality all day long. Our 34th deal features this Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combo, now 33% off, priced at $20, down from $30. It provides a reliable 33-foot wireless connection, 36-month keyboard, and 12-month mouse battery life, spill-resistant keys, quiet low-profile typing, and convenient multimedia hotkeys for seamless work and entertainment. Our 35th deal features this smartwatch fitness tracker, now 90% off, priced at $20, down from $200. Equipped with Bluetooth calling, notifications, 110+ sports modes, heart rate and sleep tracking, IP68 waterproofing, and a 1.8 3-inch HD touchscreen with customizable dials. It's perfect for fitness, health monitoring, and staying connected on the go. Our 36th deal features this 4K triple laser projector, now 54% off, priced at $1,149, down from $2,499, with 2,800 ISO lumens, vibrant 4K RGB laser visuals, precise image alignment, smart adaptive picture adjustments, built-in Google TV, versatile connectivity, and Dolby Digital Plus 20-watt speakers. It transforms any room into an immersive home theater experience. Our 37th deal features this electric razor, now 90% off, priced at $40, down from $400. Featuring advanced 4D flex rotary blades, wet-dry shaving capability, USB fast charging, cordless design, and a pop-up precision trimmer, it ensures a smooth, professional-level shave for sensitive skin anytime, anywhere. Our 38th deal features the Fly Stars Flying Orb Ball, now 42% off, priced at $35, down from $59. This motion-controlled anti-gravity toy responds to taps and kicks, performs 3D flips and rebounds, includes USB-C charging and LED glow lights, and is made from durable, safe materials, ideal for active play, coordination, and fun competitions indoors or outdoors. Our 39th deal features this 2-pack electric hand warmers, now 50% off, priced at $25, down from $50. With instant 3-second heating, 3 adjustable temperature modes, a high-capacity 6,400 mAh battery, and smart safety protection, these hand warmers keep your hands cozy during winter outdoor adventures or chilly indoor days. Our 40th deal features this electric mini razor, now 76% off, priced at $30, down from $125. It combines precision foil and long beard trimming heads, USB-C fast charging for up to 100 minutes of use, IPX7 waterproof design, and a compact travel-friendly build, perfect for quick, comfortable grooming at home or on the go. So that's a wrap on today's 40 hidden early Black Friday deals on Amazon. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these incredible deals, some up to 90% off before they're gone.